Welcome guys, I am Praharsha. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to explain about how abstractly avoiding robot using ultrasonic sensor is going to work. This is my minor project which I am going to complete in the current semester with my team. Before going into the topic, I want to say why I have chosen this project as my minor project. If you see in recent times, technology has been developed rapidly in every sector, especially in robotics. For example, countries like India, America, Japan, China, Israel, and many more have developed many robots for different purposes like food delivery robots in restaurants, chatbot for language learning, and humanoid robot like Sophia, which will do a variety of tasks. By this, we can understand that in today's world, robotics sector is growing enormously and a very interesting field as well. So I decided to work on robotics and design something which will satisfy our needs in day-to-day life. This robot is made by using ultrasonic sensor and it is controlled by Arduino microcontroller. Ultrasonic sensor fixed in front of portion of the robot vehicle. This robot will detect the obstacles in the way it is moving and it will move smoothly by avoiding the collision with those obstacles. In upcoming slides, we will see how this robot is going to avoid obstacles and we will discuss about what are the algorithms are used for obstacle detection and avoiding for finding the best path which is optimal. Now let's take a look on objectives. Allow the robot to navigate smoothly in an unknown environment by avoiding collisions with the obstacles in it. To make the smooth and safe travel of the robot, this concept will help in decreasing the rate of collisions with the obstacles in an unknown environment. This concept will help in decreasing the rate of car accidents. Now let's take a look on obstacle avoiding robot, how it's gonna work, how the Arduino you gonna work, ultrasonic sensors are going to work. Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensors plays very important role in the obstacle avoiding robot. Arduino uses a microcontroller or simply we can say it as a brain of the robot which is programmable. The ultrasonic sensor which will work on the ultrasonic pulses which are at certain frequency. The data from ultrasonic sensor is used to avoid obstacles in its way. Ultrasonic sensor. Now let's see in detail about the ultrasonic sensor. We can call simply ultrasonic sensor as ears. The ultrasonic sensor sends pulses out at frequency of 40 kHz, which travel through the air. If there is any obstacle or object, it will bounce back to the sensor. By calculating the travel time of the pulse and speed of the sound at the distance which an obstacle is present can be calculated. After calculation, it will send the data to the microcontroller to avoid the obstacle. As per our research, this ultrasonic sensor will be detect obstacles in the range between 2 to 400 centimeter, that means 1 to 13 feet. Arduino Uno. Now let's discuss about Arduino UNO in detail. Here UNO in the name is an Italian word which means all in at one place. Arduino Uno plays very important role in our project. Arduino UNO acts as an brain for the robot, which follows the data instructions sent from sensor and input lines. Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board based on 80 mega 328p. It has 14 digital input and output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM. A PWM can be called as pulse width modulation. In this, 6 analog inputs and 16 MHz ceramic resonator are used. Ceramic resonators which is used to send and receive clock signals. It also contains USB connection for programming the Arduino and power jack and ICSP. ICSP can be called as in-circuit serial programming. It consists header and reset button. Literature review. For doing this robot, I referred to research papers. In first paper, they have explained how to build the robot at low cost by using the microcontroller Arduino UNO, a Wi-Fi module, an Arduino motor shield driver which controls the robot through the gate DC motors. The system showed good performance under various test conditions. In this paper, they use wavefront algorithm. The robot generates a collision-free path from a grid map using wavefront algorithm. The wavefront algorithm involves a breadth-first search of the graph beginning at the destination point until it reaches the start point. The wavefront expansion algorithm is a specialized potential field path planner with breadth-first search to avoid local minima. It uses a growing circle around the robot. The nearest neighbors are analyzed first, and then the radius of the circle is extended to the distant region. In the second paper, author explained about the building and design of an obstacle avoid vehicle using ultrasonic sensors. When the sensor senses the object in moving direction, then it stops and checks if any hurdle is present in left or right direction. If any hurdles are present to the right side direction with nearest space, then it diverges to the hurdle-free path. Similarly, the self-determining hurdle avoid or does if any object is present in the left side direction. Tools to be used. In this project, some very important tools are used. They are Arduino Uno, motor driver shield, wheels. Wheels are used for sides for four sides. We use four wheels. Lithium ion battery that is 18650 model. Ultrasonic sensor, battery holder, DC motor. Design and methodologies. Here we can see design of the robot, how the connections are made. For building this project, we need hardware and software such as hardware includes motors, batteries, connecting lines, ultrasonic sensor, microcontroller board, wheels fitting modules for microcontroller and motors, battery module, soldering kit for connections, USB cable for programming the Arduino. And also we need software components. Software includes Arduino IDE and to run this robot, we use C language programming. Artificial potential field. The artificial potential field, or it can be called APF algorithm, which is used to avoid obstacles using this algorithm. The robot can run to the target in optimal environments without any problems by avoiding obstacles. And also using this algorithm, unlike the APF algorithm, the robot does not get stuck in the local memory. Yeah, we use the APF algorithm which was made by using simple mathematical calculations. This algorithm is very simple and it will calculate distance accurately and will calculate the distance by using simple mathematical calculations. Working module. Here you can see the animation how robot gonna work. Here you can see robot is moving and it is stopped. It is watching the whether there is any obstacles are there. If obstacle occurs, it is moving to the another side and moving to the ground. Like this robot will avoid the obstacles. Here you can see my input and output of the robot. This is the design which I have built in this minor project. Working output of my robot. Conclusion. Yeah, we came to final slide. Now I will conclude this project by explaining some of its uses. It is used in calculating the distance without human intervention. This robot can be used as an aerial spy in an unknown environment. This can be used to deliver some small objects from one place to another place without making collisions with the obstacles present in its way. It can be used in mobile robot navigation system. It can be also used in household work like automatic vacuum cleaning, mopping, etc. These are the four papers which I was used to build this project obstacle avoiding robot. I hope that everyone understood what I have explained about my project and what are the components used and what are its uses. With this, I am concluding my project. Have a nice day. Thank you, everyone.